Hi guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select themes, and now you can select wallpaper that you want to apply. Go through all of them. If you want to add something from your gallery, just tap on plus and then select the picture. Here you've got it, but let me pick, for example, this one. Click on set wallpaper and then decide if you want to apply it to your lock screen only or both wallpaper and home screen and lock screen. And now once you go back, you will be able to see this brand new wallpaper covering your both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.